All right, let's dive in and unlock the Starbucks secret menu.
Getting tired of your usual order? Yeah, let's definitely upgrade your next Starbucks run.
I'm going to show you how to find some new favorites and even create your own. So first up, the secret menu isn't so secret anymore. In fact, Starbucks is in on it. They're actually putting official custom drinks inspired by social media right in the app. For example, let's check out one of the first drinks they featured, the Dragon Fruit Glow Up. It's this really cool take on their refresher. All right, next up, something for cookie lovers. If you're a big fan of cookies and cream, this one's definitely for you. It's basically a cold brew, but the magic is in the vanilla foam and cookie crumble. And check this out, they actually launched a contest with a $25,000 grand prize. This was a huge deal, with fans and baristas getting to show off their creativity. Okay, so how do you order these? It's actually really simple on the app. If you're a rewards member, it's just a few taps away in the Offers tab. But the app is just the beginning. Let's get into some barista holiday favorites. Baristas are really the OGs of the secret menu, always getting creative with ingredients. Here's a great example, the salted caramel brulee cold brew. It's that perfect balance. The secret ingredient here? Ask for a salt packet mixed right into the foam. Game changer. All right, this next one takes a holiday classic and gives it a really cool twist. All you do is swap the whip for strawberry cold foam. It creates a brand new flavor. Ordering these custom drinks is easy once you speak the language. Let's break it down. First and most important term, pumps. This is how you control the sweetness of any drink. You've also got tons of milk options, including all the non-dairy choices you could want. So, to recap, adjust pumps for sweetness, ask for light or no whip, and swap out your foams. So the secret menu really isn't about knowing a secret password or anything like that. It's just a system of creative customization. So now that you have the tools, what will you create?